Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Trello tutorial for projects management. So here I'm gonna give you a quick and easiest way to use Trello if you want to manage your stuff and all of that thing you need to do here at Trello, or if you have a friend and you want to manage it together and to do stuff and you're making goals and so on and so forth. Uh, this video is for you. So here I'm just gonna give you the most simplest way to use Trello if you're just starting off. So let's say you're starting off Trello, all you need to do is sign in. After signing in, you'll be located right here. So as you can see right here, here are all your you will see your workspace right here and guest workspace. So the guest workspace is for the people that, for example, this is not my own workspace, but my friend's workspace. So I'm just a guest to it, but I can still do stuffs here, depending on the on what he allows me to do right there. So right here, we're gonna create our workspace. So we can create right click on create here, or we can create a workspace right here. I have those. So now we're gonna create ourselves a board. Now we have just a background right here. So I suggest I think that's good, white, and we're gonna title the board maybe um, task um, school. I mean school. You can set it to private or public, and if you want, now it's great. After doing that, here you will see the to call this. You will see this right here. Oh wait, blah blah blah. There. Now, as you can see, it's color blue. Now, let's say if you don't want the color blue, just click on the three dots on the right, then click on change background. Then we can choose photos. We choose this photo right here. As you can see right now we have changed it. So here it automatically has the to do, doing, and done. You can add much more list if you want. You can put in some, let's um, say to do, doing, done, and say missing. Say missing or things that you didn't do, and then put in some. What else? What else can you put there? Yeah. So yeah, just a bit in to do, doing, done, and then missing. So now let's gonna add some cards here. Let's say at school you need to finish your English homework 2. Then you have your math 3. Then you have your science, science, science 1. Let's say that's you need to do that, and let's say right here to make it much more efficient, you can add dates to it. Let's say deadline for the English homework 2 is on Thursday. So now you just click on save. So one day before the Thursday, it's gonna tell you to, it's gonna give you a reminder. Now right there, once you're there, you can add the member right here. After clicking on a member, it will notify you in your, what do you call this, in your email. So after doing that, there you go. So we can add much more. Dates, let's say this one's on 14, deadline on 14. This one is maybe, let's say, deadline on 27. There you go, something like that. So random numbers. Then we can add some checklists right here if you want. Let's say here there's a checklist. You're gonna add that math, let's say addition, subtraction, subtract, so on and so forth, and click add. There you go. Let's say you're gonna do the math 3, so you need to complete this checklist right here. So let's say you're gonna do the math 3, and then click on, you've already done your addition, check on that. As you can see, it is now 50% done. After you've done your subtraction, this is just an example. After doing subtraction, all that stuff, and click on, press on that. As you can see, you have 100% fully done your task right here at math. Then you can do is you can now move it. Let's say you're gonna do the math. Let's say for the day I'm gonna do the math, so you put it on doing. Then maybe the next day or maybe the other day, after you done your math addition, subtraction, as you can see, fully check, then just move it to done. As you can see right there, and you can attach attachment. You can add some links right there, so as you can add some, let's say, YouTube videos on how to finish your math homework, something like that. Like for example, math addition, math addition videos. There you go. But it's just an example, guys. So yeah, then put an attachment right there, paste it. So before you do the math addition, you can watch the video on how to do it. There you go. So you can review it and all of that stuff. As you see, now we can put labels. So labels, I suggest putting on labels. I suggest using 3 labels only. The first one is um, high priority. Let's say the red label is high priority. Let's save. And then the orange one is, let's just say the orange is there you go, say easy, normal, then high priority. Say you can put it right like that. Let's say you're gonna add label here, high priority, which means you need to be doing this, and you can put label here, easy, which means when you see the green, it's not that immediate. You don't need it right away. There you go, as you can see right there. And fun fact for guys, let's say you have a lot of red, green, orange, but it's all like scattered up, and there's a lot of words, words right here, cards right here, and you're too lazy to scroll up, scroll down to see all them. You can just do this right here, the filter. So here at the filter, you can see right here, you can just click on the easy ones. So once you click on the easy one, click on that, only the easy one will appear, and once the normal ones, only the normal ones will appear. And you can see here the overdues, but there's no overdue. It's right here, as you can see. So you can see all the overdue you miss and all the due in the next day, but we don't have that right of now. Let's say you have this week. Let's say we have one this week. We have the English right now. What about due this month? We have all 3. As you can see, no due dates. That means it has no date. So we're gonna click on that. So there's none. There you go, and we can see all the members. If we have, there we go. We have this one. So we have our name right there. Let's say you're doing this with a friend or with your classmate. There you go, add their name right there. Then you can choose which member you want. Let's say no members right here, which means nobody's doing this assignment right here. So you can take it. But this one has people doing, so you're not allowed to take it. So yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, that's the most easiest way, effective way to do it. And you can just move it like that, move it like this. Then if you're all done, put it on done right there. Move it on done. Then there you go, guys. Hope you guys did it, please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below. And there you go, guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.